It's 10 p.m. 10 p.m. Tomorrow we're going to the Amazon Rainforest. And staying 3D trip. I've heard a lot about it. Never been there. So I'm pretty excited. And of course, I'm probably going to break the world record for the very first Rubik's Cube solved in the Amazon Rainforest. Let's go. Start packing here. I got this pocket knife. Not actually mine, Swiss Army. I don't even know if I need this. Someone added this. These mosquito things, although don't think really I need them. I'm used to them. A book, although I'm supposed to pack lightweight, I don't know. Like a 5 meters rope, might be necessary. This flashlight I found really cool. It got the solar panel and it got these rechargeable thing where you spin it and it makes electricity. I got binoculars. I got a Rubik's Cube, which of course is very important. I got this kind of fan, which is really cool. You just press over here and now electric and all. There's this thing I might need to charge. It's like 5 different types of whatever plugins. I got band-aids and of course the sword. But that's not really necessary because I'm not bringing it anyway. I wish. If my father would let. I got a hat and some clothes. I wanted to bring this nicer cube, but I'm afraid if I get lost, it's not gonna be worth it. I was thinking of bringing the drone, but due to my past experience, I don't think I will. Alright, so finishing packing up. I decided not to bring this book or this because I'm supposed to be lightweight. The knife too because I don't think my father's gonna let the hand. I'm just gonna put it on myself. The drone I decided not to, even though it's really cool, and I'm getting a DJI Tello soon. And I decided not to bring my fancy cube because if I lose it, I'm not gonna have a fancy cube. And I finished back it up, and yeah, see you in the rainforest. Right on the
After 2 hours,
we have to go.
And some people die.
We're going on a car to the port. We're going on a boat.
If you have
and then
a car
we're going
like
a car,
this, full
but
of people,
they had 2 bridges and
5
collapsed,
tons.
so they can fix
No,
it.
maybe more. 10 tons, let's see.
And then,
Let's see.
so taking like
you
5
pass
boats and 3 cars.
With a car,
Dirty road.
yeah.
How many minutes? Half hour?
Around.
Wow.
So we're going through the
Half
van
an-
now.
40 minutes.
And we're
And
going.
in the rainy
And
season,
Yeah,
same
we're
thing?
going to the port.
Very dangerous?
And then we're going
Not
on
dangerous,
a
but
boat.
yeah.
And then we're going
And
on a car
sometimes
again.
the car
And then again
slippery
on a
on the
boat.
road.
Yeah?
You know,
To the
but not
lodge.
that dangerous. They
No?
used to do
Except-
every day, you know. Place.
Place? Oh, like a port? Yeah. Yeah.
So it's the meeting of the waters, the black and the white.
Okay, so
they
this
don't mix.
is Solomon.
So
I like your English, but okay, fine, speak Portuguese. Standard.
O Rio Negro nasce na Colômbia a 1.600 metros. A água do Rio Negro é água subterrânea.
the meeting of the waters, they don't split.
Tem saídas de água. Essa água sempre fica preta por causa do uso que é gerado pelas bactérias das folhas e os galhos que caem a
It's a cube. So here's black. It's blue. White river is the meeting of the waters. Checkers.
Não depende da chuva.
It's removing the wood out and the car just came. Unfortunately, it missed. The guy's fishing over there. We're moving. We're going through the forest. And sorry, I missed it. This is boat moving together. And yeah, I wish I could fish. So we're going to queue, and the forest, 3-day thing, sleep in the forest, catch alligators, fish. I'm excited.
Guardem.
Qual o nome dessa cidade?
É Careiro da Várzea.
Careiro da Várzea?
É.
State city is Careiro da Várzea, and it's basically the prices are very expensive and the water floods. There's about 45,000 to 50,000 people in the city, and yeah, but now we're taking a 3-hour drive to the canoes, and then we're doing the trip.
Is the fish. Kinds of fish, yeah. Healthful and tasteful. Vai, Gugu.
Essa porra volta pra trás aí. Isso aí é muito ruim, isso aí é falso.
É verdade.
Isso aí volta pra trás.
Let's just get on with our.
There's never been a ferry before, but this is where we are. There's a river. Plus, it's beautiful. Never been here, but never been a ferry. That's our car, a Combi. We're taking off 3-hour boat ride, and then we're in the jungle, and I'm excited.
Pois é, segundo e último.
É, graças a Deus.
Our last ferry. Second and last.
São duas pontes que quebraram.
É, mas nessa aqui não morreu ninguém, entendeu? Nessa ponte não morreu ninguém, que o governo interveio
Essa
logo.
ponte aqui foi um acidente, só caiu um pedacinho lá na frente.
É.
É acidente, isso aqui não foi que ela caiu.
Lá, de lá não, caiu mesmo.
Caiu mesmo aquela, olha.
Morreu gente lá.
Aquela só foi um acidente lá, ó.
Ali, ó.
Acidente que
Ah,
tinha uma
isso.
ponte velha do lado, aí ela
Colapsou e bateu nela.
isso, colapsou, é.
É.
Era um barco.
É um nome mais bonito, né?
Ah.
É.
Quebrou, né?
Quebrou,
Veio abaixo.
veio abaixo.
Now come on, and then.
Você que será dessa de ponte, assim. Yeah, it's 10 meters.
De água as ondas. Ei, rapaz! Vai lá! Aí aqui.
Alright, so we're here right now. We just came out of the car. 30-hour drive. Luckily, we didn't have traffic. The ferry went well. We came early. I think too early. And we have to wait like an hour here, waiting for the boat to come. And yeah, it's after this we're going to the lodge, and then the day begins fishing, and then at night we're going to catching alligators. This is a very narrow river. It's like 30 meters deep. Apparently here they're supposed to grow fish, but I don't think they have. And this is like a convenience store where we're staying, and yeah, waiting for everything else. We're on our way to fish piranha, and of course that's cute, right? So this is it's supposed to be in that rainforest, but it's still part of it. It's really pictures. Right? It's still part of it. Actually, guys, what didn't end up happening was that on the boat, on the way to go fish piranhas on the very first day, guys, after we got to the hotel, was that we decided to jump off onto the river, and I forgot that the phone was in my pocket, and the phone is what I'm filming with right now, and what I filmed with then, and I didn't have any other camera. And so it got wet, and it was on the first day, right after we got landed, so I didn't film anything else. But I did get this from a few cubes on the way there. But the thing is, it's an Amazon rainforest. It's a rainforest. It's also a river. So it's quite similar to my other video about like cubing an Amazon river. It's basically the same thing. And so, I don't know, it might be the same thing, but yeah, so if you want, you can just watch the other. It's basically the same thing. But this one was still fun. I slept in the forest and many adventures. I think it's kind of quite worth it. If you want to come over, hop in. So, if you want to see me on this trip again, you gotta subscribe so that I can go in it again. The second I get 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do it again. If you remind me, and then I'll actually film. Hopefully, the film won't fall in the water again.